Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is a record-breaking day, and this is just absolutely crazy. Right now, AACG stock I'm looking at here, it crossed over. I think it was at 1,300% gain on the day. This thing is absolutely nuts. I can't believe we had a gainer that big today. I think that might be the biggest percent gainer I've ever seen in the stock market. Please let me know if you guys know of any other stocks that have broken 1,300% in one given day on this. And so because of it, I've had an excellent day that was actually pretty rough, though. I had some big hiccups along the way, but it's a record-breaking day for me. This is absolutely incredible. And I feel like I still left money on the table because I didn't trade this maybe as much as I could have or held as long. So today I'm gonna break down the recap. I'll tell you what I traded, and tell you where I'm at, where I sit on the month, and everything else. So let's dive into it. Yeah, guys, this thing I'm in shock. This is so nuts, and I am a little frustrated too. So let's just take a quick look at this on the chart. AACG, this thing, where did it start today? I mean, we had some good trades out of the gate today. And it worked all the way up to 565. And I thought it was going to be, pretty much done for the day and fizzle off. It looked like it was just going to fade and, nothing else was going to happen. And to my surprise, this thing, consolidated, and mind you, below VWAP here, which shows weakness. In all honesty, I was looking at this and it was a lot of weakness, and then it breaks VWAP here and just absolute turns into a rocket ship. Let's look at this. I mean, it was trading down at 412 earlier today, kind of the low, going all the way up to 750. Now this was a massive rip. If you got in there, congrats to you. That was incredible. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to go through every trade on this because I had a ton of trades on this thing, and a lot of them were just get in, get out, take some profit, and yeah. But look at where this thing ends up, all the way going all the way up to what, 750, breaks past that, which was nuts right there, goes all the way up to 850. I'm thinking, wow, this thing's got legs. And then only to fade off, only to turn around and pull another rocket ship move from 705. Let me zoom in here. Yeah, well, where are we at? All the way up to 850, fades. Boom! Look at that one candle. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so 773 up to 950. And, every time this happened, I was just thinking, where's the top on this thing? So I kept trading, and I tried to be, oh man, this is about to go for another big move higher. Look. Anyways, the thing just keeps running and running and running and running. Goes all the way up. I thought this had to be the peak here. 1342. I was like, this thing's got to be done. And you know what? Consolidates and once again pushes again all the way up to 1495. Fades. I'm thinking, gotta be done. It's gotta be done. And we had a big fade off that. Look, all the way back down to 10. And then some consolidation, and boom, this thing says, nope, I am not done. Look, after this, Jesus, I mean, all the way up to where we're at today, 1979. So, and this thing keeps moving. I might have to jump in for another trade. If it gets close to 1917, I might have to jump in here. So I'll keep an eye on it. But anyways, guys, this day was absolutely ridiculous. This stock made people made some people millionaires today. No joke. You know, good traders out there. This one definitely helped them pass the $1 million mark. I can guarantee it, which is crazy to think. So yeah, I'm sitting here just in absolute shock. So anyways, I got to show you where I'm at today. I'm up 57.03. Record-breaking day for me. Absolute record-breaking. Yesterday was my record-breaking day ever, and then which was 3,000 something, and today I come in and absolutely beat that. And once again, I left plenty of money on the table here. I didn't trade this perfectly. So let's dive into the chart real quick. I'm going to keep an eye on this thing just in case we want to go in for another trade, because it's absolute beast mode. Okay, here we are. Let's walk through this real quickly. So look, guys, I started trading today. Had a great move up into I got up to a high of 17.25, which is great. I traded AACG, the one we were just looking at, and switched over to CYCN, which had a good move on it. Had some good trades on that one. Moved over to LIZI, and yeah, I got a few trades on that, which was good. And where was it at? 27. Yeah, I moved back to AACG. And guys, look at this. I was up $2,700 one point, okay? And because I got, I don't know, cocky, aggressive, name it whatever you want, I went in heavy and lost all of it. I went all the way down to $31. So I was in a really low point mentally, emotionally, when I went down all the way down to $31. From being up $2,700, I was infuriated because here we have the biggest mover I've ever seen, and you know, I'm down here at 31. I've erased all my profits. So thank God I was able to get back in the saddle, focus, put on some big moves, and kept trading AACG. I was able to work up to 2,900, then back down. I lost 1,000 off that, which was disappointing. Down to 18. I was like, should I call it quits? And I was thinking about it, and then, you know, AACG kept pushing through, and so I decided to keep trading it. And because of it, you know, I got all the way up to where we're at, 57.03, which is incredible. So this is where it's put me on my trading journey. Look at this, one day alone has cranked me all the way up to this high of 16,513 since starting the YouTube channel here. So incredible. I want to keep this up, but guess what? I know we're going to have some slow days ahead of us. This momentum doesn't last forever. And this one stock is just absolutely nuts. So real quick here, up 57.03. That puts me $16,513 on the trade journey. So let's look at the calendar real quick. Incredible numbers right now. I am blown away, and I'm setting up 97.29 on the month right now, or on the week. Actually, the month too, of February, which is record breaker for me. So I want to keep this going, but I know slow days are ahead of us for sure. And honestly, guys, I'd love to share a little bit more with you. I'm still watching this thing because I might have to hop in for a trade. Yeah, I hope you guys traded this one and you did really well on it, because it was an absolute monster. I'm telling you what, it really made some people just big in the money today, and that's great. That's super great. And you know, if you're all red on it, trust me, I've been there before, you know, in the past, and this hasn't been an easy trading journey for me. I mean, I look back at my previous records, previous trades for the years, and man, I lost a lot of money, to be honest. And I feel like this year I'm finally pulling forward and getting ahead. And so I'm taking this, these real big gains for myself as just like, it's stuff I gotta just stash off to the side because, there's no telling. I could lose a good chunk of it too. And I want to preserve that capital and keep building this thing and keep growing it. So, I'll leave it with you guys right there for today. And please let me know if you were green today. Hopefully you were. And let me know if you were red too. I know it's unfortunate and it's it's part of the journey. And you really got to just learn from your mistakes. That's the biggest thing for me is I just preserved my capital, made sure I didn't lose it all. And, trading with appropriate size of your entire portfolio. You never want to trade such a huge chunk of your portfolio that in 1 or 2 trades you could lose it all. I think that's key in order to ride this trading journey, to really learn, because every day you're in the market, you learn more. And the only way you can stay in the market every day is if you don't lose all your money. And I've been trading for a few years now, and I don't know how many to be exact, 5 maybe. And I had no idea what I was doing when I first got into it. So, I made a lot of mistakes, lost a lot of money, and I'm finally looking good at this point, and I want to keep that going. So, preserve the capital, and that's all I got for you. So, what an incredible day. I'm absolutely shocked. 1,300% gain. Quite incredible. You guys take care. I'll see you on the next one, and hopefully we can keep this momentum going. It will stop at some point though, and slow down. So I'm trying to build up for those slow days. Think about you're building up for winter, with your chopping wood, and you want to make sure you have enough firewood to last you all throughout winter. And that's what I'm thinking about right now. While these are all great gains, I know it's not always consistent. So just trying to be mindful of that. But anyways, that's it for now. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.